My loyal viewers, supporters, and the one them where I watch and now say nothing. No worries, still a spoon. Alright, love on the same way. Yeah, so I'm up. The kitchen I get started. Yeah man. And we have some nice things that go on in there today. And for all of the people them where
love them belly.
Yeah man. The show I go start. Alright. Welcome once again to another exciting episode in my kitchen, Dean's Kitchen of course. Today I will be preparing for you. It's been long awaited, it's been long anticipated. I've got a few requests for it and I'm finally gonna prepare it today for you, my loyal viewers and supporters. Yes, Homestyle jerk seasoning. So let's go. On the counter here, I have all the ingredients that I'll be using to make my Homestyle jerk seasoning, and I'll be introducing them to you. Okay, so I'm gonna add my chopped seasonings first to my blender top, and this is half of a bell pepper or sweet pepper as you might know it. This is one chopped onion. I'm using one to get my seasoning right. I'm going in with 3 stalks of chopped escallion or spring onion along with some fresh thyme. Use the amount that you wish to. I have in this container 4 cloves of chopped garlic and ginger. Use the amount of ginger that you can handle. You don't want to go in with too much and it overpowers the seasoning. So I'm going in with my pepper and some pimento berries, and this is the pepper that I am using. It's very strong Scotch bonnet pepper, so you don't want to use too much of it because you probably use it, season your meat, and it's too strong, you cannot eat the meat afterwards. So be careful when adding that. I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and nutmeg each in this container. 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And last but not least, my secret ingredient. I'm using 1 leaf of French thyme. It gives flavor, that extra flavor that you'll be looking for to your mix. I have 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can use lime juice as a substitute. This is used to keep it a little longer. 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. You can use browning as well. This will darken your jerk seasoning. And I'm going in last but not least 1 tablespoon of canola oil. You can use water as a substitute, but I choose to use oil. You can use vegetable oil. It's up to you, whatever you choose. And I give it a little shake just to incorporate all the seasonings, the liquid ones, the liquid and the dry ones. And then I'm gonna add it to my Magic Bullet blender. I'm gonna stop it at different intervals and shake it as I go along. Already you can see that it's all mixing and looking dark and Lovely. And you might be tempted to add more liquid as you go along, but I urge you, do not. It will become too watery and the flavor will die out. So if you so desire, you can just pull the lid and just use a spoon to mix around the seasonings until they are all blended out, refined. Alright, so I'm gonna continue to blend. Stop and shake as I go. As you can hear for yourself, the blade is working the right way now. So all the seasonings are blended out, fine, refined. So I'm gonna stop it now. It's all blended out and smooth. Seasoning is ready. Thanks again for tuning into Dean's Kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new content we drop. Yeah man! Alright, like, share, leave your comments below. Any questions or queries. Respect.